blind box. Look at these adorable. I can't deal. Next we have Hello Kitty band-aids. The patterns that we have, cute little star stickers. This is adorable. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, hey, I'm Patricia. And in today's video, I'm gonna be shopping at Miniso. So they just opened up, well, not just opened up, they recently opened up a location in Georgia, and we're gonna be checking it out today. And I'm taking y'all with me, and y'all already know afterwards I'm coming with a huge haul, so check that out. Oh my god, sorry, I'm like squinting. The sun is literally directly in my eyes. Also, this video is not sponsored, but Miniso, if you want to sponsor your girl, you know, hit me up. But yes, we already got them all, so let's go check it out. Look, it's sushi. The tunnel one. Okay, I definitely want to get one of these. This is cute. Oh no, but this one's nice. This one too. Look at all these hair accessories. They're so fluffy. Hello Kitty clippers. Look at these cute bags. Babe, this is so cute. Oh, these are cute. So should I get one of these? Now white or brown? The white. We need to get this.
I think there's more over somewhere else.
Okay. Well, I really want this one. The mochi one. This is so cute. But I don't know which one's which. This one. This is the lightest.
Yeah, there's some light over here too.
Okay, you guys, so we're back home, and look at this ginormous bag that I got from Miniso. $150 worth of stuff. Let's get into this unboxing, you guys. We got this pochaco, sorry if I'm pronouncing that wrong, blind box. And honestly, when I was at Miniso, I got this with my friend Jade in mind, because I texted her, I was like, what's your favorite Sanrio characters? And she said this pochaco one, and then the bat one, and Choco Cat. So yeah, I didn't see any Batmaru or the Choco Cat one, but I did see a lot of this cute little doggy. So I got this for Jade, so I will not be unboxing this. Sorry, you guys. I'm gonna let her go ahead and unbox this herself. So the next item that I got for Jade is this bento bag. I thought this would be a good gift. And it's pretty spacious. Like, I feel like you could put a lot in here. Look, like you could put your drink, you could put your food right here, a little snack. Yes. I'm gonna see her later today, and I'm gonna try to record her reaction and see what she thinks. Next item, I'm literally so excited to show you guys. Oh my god, aren't these so cute? Look at these adorable pochaku slides. I needed this just for slides like around the house or whenever I'm on a vacation and I need like quick shower shoes. These will come in handy. Look at them. And I know you guys are like, Patricia, wait, why didn't you get pink? Because isn't your favorite color pink? Honestly, I like anything pastel. So yes, this green colorway is just, I could not stop myself. I needed it. And I think that's the thing that I really like about Miniso is that they literally just have so much different variety of items. Like they have houseware, beauty, stationery, kitchen supplies, and literally it just, the list goes on. I honestly stayed at Miniso for like an hour and a half, just walking around, shopping, and trying to pick out exactly what I want. This is a Sanrio reusable bag that I got, and I actually love this so much. It's so cute. I wanted to get more bags that I can just reuse whenever I'm at the grocery store, so I'll definitely be putting this guy to good use. And this is how it looks when it's standing up. As for space, it's pretty spacious. Next, I got this Hello Kitty makeup bag. Literally when I saw it, I just knew I had to get it. Like, it's just a cute pastel pink, and then it has gold accents. And look at the Hello Kitty pendant. Oh my god, so cute. I can't wait to start using it. The next item that I got is this cute Hello Kitty Tupperware set. It's so cute. I feel like I keep saying everything's cute, but it literally is so adorable. Just look at the design. I can't deal. Like, who said the perfect Tupperware does not exist? Because look at her. This is she. And what, we got 3 of these? Yeah, we got 3 of these. Oh my goodness. You get a Tupperware, you get a Tupperware, you get a Hello Kitty Tupperware. Everybody gets one. All right, so next we have Hello Kitty Band-Aids. Oh, we have 2 different versions. Okay, so we have circle band-aids. I'm just gonna open up one for you guys. And then I think we have regular band-aids too. Okay. This is how she looks. I love apples. So cute. You know what? I'm just gonna like put this on because I don't want to waste it. And this is the circle version. A thing I noticed, I like to collect cute bandages. So we have this Hello Kitty one, and I also have this cinnamon roll one, and then a Miffy one. This is like the holy trinity right here. Like, look at this trio. I stand. Next we have this, oh my god. The next item I got is this cute handheld mirror. I'm just gonna compare this to the size of my hand so y'all can get like a scale. It's so cute. I love it whenever I'm traveling or whenever I'm out and I just need to touch up my makeup, you know. And then we got a second mirror. This is a compact Hello Kitty mirror. Are you guys tired of the Hello Kitty stuff? Because literally I am not. This is the burst of serotonin that I needed. Hello Kitty nail clippers. I did not know I needed this until now. Okay, and y'all know I had to grab some stationery items. So I got these cute Hello Kitty sticky notes. So cute. I feel like I'm saying everything is so cute, but it is. Like, I can't lie. I am a Hello Kitty girl through and through. And I didn't just get the Hello Kitty one. I got the My Melody one too. But My Melody is that girl. Like, look at all the pastels. I stand. All right? My Melody is my girl. I can't wait to start using these. I feel like they're gonna come so in handy whenever I'm working. All right, so the next item is also another stationery item. This is a gel pen, and I believe it's a blind box, so I don't know which one I got in here, but the options are either My Melody, Kuromi, or Pompon. And the other options is Hello Kitty, cinnamon roll, and pochaku. And we got cinnamon roll. This is so cute. All right, so the next item is the Sanrio washi tape. This is the patterns that we have, and you guys, these are absolutely adorable. I'm about to start putting this washi tape on absolutely everything. And I did not stop at just getting the Sanrio themed washi tape. I got this miniso cat boba washi tape. And if y'all know me, you know I love boba, so come on now. This was an obvious yes. Crazy. All of a sudden, I'm craving boba. The next item I got are these cute little star stickers. I literally could not contain myself. I love stickers and I love cute stickers. So I had to grab these. Next, I got this Kirby blind box. And y'all, when I seen this, I was literally foaming at the mouth because look at this. This is adorable. This is a Kirby mochi, but I really want this one. I hope it's this one. Oh my god. Oh my god, why am I scared? Oh wait, this isn't the one I wanted. This is the second one. This is like the red bean ice cream one, but it's not ugly. Like, this is probably the second one I wanted, but I really wanted the other one. Oh, it's okay. It's still very cute, but this is probably the second one that I would have liked to pull. So I'm not mad at it. What do you guys think though? Is this a good pull? All right, y'all. So I'm sorry, I don't know why, but the original audio got cut off. I accidentally clicked the slow-mo button on my camera, so that just took away the audio. But y'all, when I unboxed this, I was shook. I was shook because this is literally the one I said I wanted, and it's just really cute. And I didn't know it was gonna have like the ornament string. Like, I know it said ornament on the box, but I didn't think it was gonna have an ornament string. Like, you know, I was just like, okay, whatever. I'm kind of mad at myself that I didn't get these earlier just so I can put on my Christmas tree, because a sunny angel on your Christmas tree, that'll be like the cherry on top basically. So now I have to wait 11 more months until Christmas just to utilize it. But that's all right, you know, that's my fault. I didn't get the Christmas series. I was like, I don't need this. Little do I know I needed it. It's so cute. And I'm still kind of shook that Miniso had Sunny Angels and Smitsky's there. Like, I know I seen it on their official TikTok account, but I'm like, they're not gonna have it at my location. You know how sometimes your location store just be ass? No, I mean, mine kind of ate, not gonna lie, even though it was packed. Like, it was dumb packed, you guys. But yes, I'm gonna protect this reindeer with my entire life. It's so cute. What do y'all think? Is the reindeer top tier? I think we ate. Okay, besties. These manga lashes, oh my god, aren't these gorgeous? Usually, you know, the regular manga lashes or manga lashes, they're cute, they're thin, they're dainty, and I love them. Like, I literally have so much of those lashes already, so the fact that I saw these, which are kind of more fuller, I was like, ooh, let me just grab these real quick. Thank you. I literally cannot wait to use these. Next item I got is a beauty product. It's an eyebrow razor, but I'm also going to be using this on my face to shave off like my peach fuzz. Crazy thing is, I didn't have any more razors at home, so the fact that I saw it there, I was like, let me just snatch these up, because, you know, I'm always here for a quick refill. So I feel like the razors was a good cop. And I did get this cute Pachaco manicure kit, and it comes with a pouch, a cuticle pusher, nail clippers, and also a nail file. And then I grabbed this cute little hair clip. It's pink, it's very much me. I feel like you can never go wrong with having an extra hair clip. So yeah, I'm happy I was able to add this to my collection. So I feel like I've been needing like a small umbrella, and I saw this Ratoa one. I didn't open it, so I don't know what pattern's on it, but I saw this cute little guy and I was like, oh, it has to be cute, and it's blue. So yes. I don't want to open it up and get like bad luck, but I'm gonna try to show you guys the design. And then the very last item we have is this We Are Bears plush. Just look how thick this guy is. Like, this is the perfect size for whenever you're in bed and you just want to hug something, because look at it. And if you don't leave Miniso with a plush, did you even go to Miniso? Like, come on, I had to grab something, okay? And I grabbed this cute little guy, and I'm gonna cherish you. All right, y'all, so that concludes my Miniso haul, and this is basically everything that I got, excluding grocery reusable bag, the plushie, and those other two Pochaku items that I gave my friend Jade. I believe it was the lunch box and also the blind box. And when I say excluding those items, I just mean in the frame. I was kind of struggling to put them all in this shot. If you made it this far into the video, I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, just watching me checking out one of Georgia's first Miniso locations for the very first time. And of course, you know, shopping with me and watching me unbox everything. And see you guys in next week's video. Bye!